Welcome back to the King's Queen. It's your girl Toya. Today is all about Halloween. If you have not gotten started on your Halloween designs, I suggest that you do it now because the sooner you get them out, the sooner they start to sell. If you don't want to create this design and you are still interested in it, the link is in the description box. It will link you to my Etsy shop, and if you purchase it, that will be greatly appreciated. But a little bit of business first. Like the video. I know you haven't even watched it, but like the video. You're gonna like it. I promise you're gonna like it. It's a speed design. I'm not gonna be talking. I'm not gonna be getting on your nerves. So go ahead and like the video. And if you have not subscribed, you can do that as well. Hit that notification bell so you will be alerted every time I post another video. Let's get started, y'all.
Get that